Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study English class 3 unit 2 lesson 5 the three little goats part 2. As we studied before it's part 1. Yesterday we studied it's part 2 with reading. It's whole reading. In part 2 we come to know about the wolf who tried to come into the house through the chimney. The little goats put more leaves, wet leaves, to make it smoky. They make sticks. They put some sticks to make it more hotter, and they also put a big pot with hot water. And when they see the wolf's tail above the fireplace, they pull it down, and the wolf fell into the pot. They put the lid on the pot, and in this way they get rid of this bad big wolf. Understand? We have read it before. Today we are going to do its exercise. Let's come. Are these sentences true? If that sentence is true, then write T, or false, then write F. If the sentence is false, then we will write F. They have given us example. The wolf was too big to climb down the chimney. ठीक है? It's false because he was coming from the chimney. We are going to do first one. The goats made the fire and water hotter. Yes, it's true. We will write T. Understand? Next is the wet leaves on the fire made the chimney very smoky. It's also true. We will write T over here. The goats saw the wolf's head appear in the fireplace. No, they saw the wolf's tail. They saw the wolf's tail, so this sentence is false. We will write it F, mean false. The wolf escaped from the pot. No, he didn't escape from the pot, so it is false. F. F mean false. Now come to the question next. Question number 3. Use your own words to complete these sentences. First one is the third house didn't fall down. तीसरा घर क्यों ना गिरा? Because it was made of bricks. Because it was made of bricks. Next is the wolf couldn't dash, so he climbed down the chimney. The wolf couldn't blow down the house, so he climbed down the chimney. Next is the goats tried to make the fire hotter, so they dash. The goats tried to make the fire hotter, so they put more sticks. So they put more sticks. Next is the goats tried to make the chimney smoky, so they put wet leaves. So they put wet leaves. Next is the goats pulled the wolf down by its tail, and he fell into the pot. And he fell into the pot. The goats dashed, so the wolf couldn't escape. The goats hit him, so the wolf couldn't escape. ठीक है बच्चों, आज के लिए यही 2 क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. आगे नेक्स्ट आते हैं इंग्लिश बी की तरफ. Now come to English B grammar. Pronouns, as we studied before, a word that is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun, like he, I, we, she, it, they. These are all the pronouns. Today we are going the personal nouns in a table. These personal nouns are given in a table. First person is I, we. Second person is you. Third person is he, she, it, or they. Understand? First person pronoun I, my, me. I, my, me. We or us. Second person you, your, you. Third person he, his, him. She, her, her. They, their, them. It, its, it. Understand बच्चों? I, my, me, we, our, us, you, your, you, he, his, him, she, her, her, they, their, them, it, its, it. You have to learn it like this without breathing. Understand? इसको अच्छी तरह आपने याद करना है। आगे जब आपने ग्रामर स्टार्ट करनी है टेंसेज, उसमें ये आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है इनका याद करना। ठीक है बच्चों, आज के लिए इंग्लिश पी का यही आपको मिलेगा। आपने इस टेबल को अच्छी तरह से याद करना है। ओके, ये नेक्स्ट एक्टिव वाइज पैसिव वाइज में भी बहुत काम आते हैं और दूसरे जो ग्रामर वर्क्स होते हैं उसमें भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प देते हैं। ठीक है, आपने आज आपके लिए यही मैंने टेबल रखा हुआ है, आपने इसको अच्छी तरह तैयार करना है। और इसके अलावा जो इंग्लिश का एक का दिया हुआ है ट्रू फॉल्स एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ये आपने करनी है और रीडिंग अच्छी तरह करनी है। ठीक है, आज के लिए आपका यही काम है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।